Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Selenium Tech Automation. So in this today tutorial, I am going to discuss about the concept called cookies. Okay, it is very important interview questions if you are attending for any interview. Okay, so first we will discuss about what is a cookie and what are all the different methods which are available inside this cookies concept. Okay, so first we will discuss what is a cookie. Okay, here cookies are basically a temporary files so which are created by browser automatically. Okay, what is a cookie? Cookies are basically a temporary files which are created by browser automatically. Okay, when we are browsing some data through the browsers called Edge browser or IE browser or Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome or Safari. Okay, so when we are going to browse some data through all these browsers, okay, automatically these temporary files which are created by the browser. Okay, suppose when I am trying to visit a website, okay, and my browser will automatically save some information in the form of cookie files. Okay, when I'm going to visit some website, okay, so during that time my browser will automatically save some information in the form of cookie files. Okay, after some time we can able to delete all these files. Sometimes those files will automatically deleted by the browser itself. Okay, sometimes during this time we need to test. Okay, we need to test whether these cookies are properly deleted or not as a part of testing. Okay, as an automation tester, sometimes we need to test whether these cookies are properly deleted or not. Okay, sometimes we need to test whether these cookies are properly deleted or not. Okay, so here our Selenium WebDriver provided some default like certain number of methods to handle all these cookies. Okay, such as delete cookie method, get cookies method, add cookie, delete cookie named, and also delete all cookies. Okay, so these are the methods provided by the Selenium to handle all these cookies. Okay, first we will see one by one. So what is a delete cookie method here? Okay, so delete cookie method is a cookie method so which will delete the cookie based upon the cookie object. Okay, this with the help of this delete cookie we can able to delete a cookie with the help of cookie object. Okay, when it comes to get cookies method, so here this get cookies method will return all the cookies generated by the browser. Okay, here this get cookies method will return all the cookies generated by the browser, and the return type of this get cookies method is list of all cookies. Okay, and here this get cookies will return you all the list of cookies which are available inside that browser. Okay, with the help of this get cookies method we can retrieve all the cookies which are available inside that browser, which will return you the list of cookies. Okay, so then the next method here is add cookie. Okay, here add cookie method what we will do. Okay, here if I want to add a cookie from my side to that particular browser, we can add with the help of this add cookie method. Okay, which will create a new cookie to the browser. Okay, if we are using this add cookie means so we can add a new cookie to our browser. Okay, so when it comes to delete cookie named method means so here we can delete a particular cookie with the help of that cookie name. Okay, so we will see what is the difference between these two, that is delete cookie and delete cookie named. Okay, here delete cookie will delete a cookie with the help of cookie object, whereas it comes to delete cookie named method means this delete cookie named method will delete a cookie based upon that cookie name. Okay, so the next method here is delete all cookies. Okay, so with the help of this delete all cookies we can delete all the cookies from that particular browser. Okay, we can delete all the cookies for that particular browser. Okay, so now we will see how we can use all this method programmatical way in our Eclipse with the help of Selenium. Okay, so first we will discuss about how we can, okay, how we can get all the cookies from that particular browser, that is with the help of get cookies method. Okay, so how we will get the cookies from that particular browser? With the help of get cookies method we can retrieve all the cookies which are available on that particular browser, right? So for that, with the help of set, okay, with the help of set, so here I need to pass the cookie here. Okay, I need to pass here the class called cookie. So here this cookie is coming from the OpenQA Selenium. Okay, so likewise we can have different kind of classes which are available inside this cookie, but we have to use the correct cookie which is coming from the package called OpenQA Selenium. So that's why I used here cookie. You can see here we can see multiple cookies, but the help of Selenium we need to use only this particular org.openqa.selenium package cookie class only. Okay, so after that I'm going to create an object reference that is, okay, after this I'm going to create an object reference that is called as get cookies. Okay, this is my get cookies object. So then what is the statement to get all the cookies? The help of driver dot manage dot get, okay, the help of driver dot manage dot get cookies. So here you can see with the help of this get cookies method we can get all the cookies for that particular browser. Okay, so that's why I used this get cookies method here. So then I'm going to print all the cookies present inside that browser. Okay, for that I'm going to write one SISO statement called system.out.println, okay, cookie size. Okay, so I want to retrieve the size. Okay, so that's why I'm going to write here cookies size, right, cookies size from browser. Okay, cookies size from browser, that is with the help of get cookies object I'm going to retrieve the size, right. So for that we have a method called size. Okay, so now you got the size of that particular cookies inside our browser. Okay, if I execute this script now, it will give all the cookies which are available inside that particular browser in the form of size. Okay, so let me execute this script. So we will see how many cookies are available on this particular browser. Okay, so it is launching the URL with the help of driver.get method. So thereafter it is entering the username and password, then it got clicked on that login button. Okay, so now we will see here currently how many cookies are available. There is only one cookie which is available on this browser. Okay, this is how we can get the cookies with the help of set. Okay, the help of set, what is this set will do here? It will retrieve the list of cookies which are available inside this particular browser. Okay, in the same way we are getting the output here as 1. Okay, we are getting the output here as 1 because only one cookie are available for this particular browser. Okay, so later on I want to print. Okay, so I want to print about that cookie. Okay, so now we are getting the output as 1. Okay, so now I am going to print what is a cookie here on that particular browser. Okay, for that I am going to use one for each loop here. Okay, how we can use one for each loop? Okay, I am going to use one for each loop here. Okay, inside that I am going to mention a class called cookie which is coming from openqa.selenium package. So once that is done, so I am going to pass a variable that is cookies equals to, so now where is our list of cookies got present inside this reference, right. So that's why I'm going to use here get cookies. Okay, so I'm going to use here get cookies. So what is it will do here? It will iterate. Okay, it will iterate how many cookies are available inside that particular list. Okay, so that's why I mentioned here cookie is a class and object and get cookies. So there I am going to mention the system.out.println. Okay, system.out.println. So cookies. Okay, system.out.println. So now I am going to write. So first cookies are storing in the form of key and value paired. Here key means name and value means value. Okay, I want to get that particular cookie name and also I want to get the value of that particular cookie value. Okay, for that I am going to write here cookies dot, okay, for that I'm going to write here cookies dot get name. Okay, with the help of get name we can get the name of that particular cookie. So after that I'm going to use one double quotes inside this. I'm going to mention this one. Once it is done, cookies dot get value. The help of get value we will get that cookie value. Okay, it is going to store in the form of key and value format. Okay, so now it is done. We are first we are getting how many cookies are present. So after that I am going to print that cookie name and value. Okay, so let me write a line here. Okay, let me write a line, commented line saying that printing cookie name and value from browser. Okay, right. So this is for getting the cookies from browser, right? Getting the cookies from browser. Okay, so now let me execute and we will see the output. What is the name of that particular cookie and what is the value of that particular cookie from this browser. Okay, so previously it is showing 1. Now we are going to get the name and value of that particular cookie. Okay, so now it is launching the URL with the help of driver.get method and it is entering the username and password and it got clicked on the login button. Okay, so now you can see here we are getting the name as orange HRM and value as this one. Okay, so let me maximize this console part. Okay, so now we have only one cookie. With the help of get cookies we got this one. After that I am going to print that cookie along with the name and value. Okay, with the help of get name and get value we are going to print. Okay, so now we done with this get cookies. So then next step is, so how we are going to add a cookie to that particular browser. With the help of add cookie method we are going to add a cookie for that browser, right? So now I am going to add a browser, I am going to add a cookie here. Okay, so now I am going to add a cookie here. So how we can add? So first let me add one commented line here saying that adding cookie to the browser. Okay, adding cookie to the browser. For that we already have a method called as add cookie, right? So now what I am going to do, I am going to add a new cookie to the browser. For that, with the help of cookie class, okay, I am going to use cookie class and object called as, okay, and object what I am mentioning, add cookie here. Okay, add cookie equals to new. Okay, add cookie equals to new. So now I am going to, here you can observe, so previously we printed with the help of get name and get value. Okay, in the same way we are going to add our cookie here as well. Okay, so now here I am mentioning Selenium tech automation as my key name and the value I am going to provide here as 45678 for example. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to add, right? So for that, what is our statement to add? Driver dot manage dot add, right? Add cookie of add cookie. Okay, this is my cookie where I'm going to add to this particular browser. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, okay, now successfully we added. So now we are going to retrieve all the cookies present inside this browser. So for that, how we are going to do? With the help of get cookies, the help of get cookies equals to the help of driver dot manage dot get cookies. Okay, the help of driver dot manage dot get cookies we are going to retrieve the all the cookies. Okay, so and then I am going to print the size as well. At the same time I am going to print the size also. So for that, okay, for that I am going to write the same line here. Okay, so now we will get 2 after adding, the size will become 2 here, right? So after adding, the size will become here the 2. Okay, so now let me add here 2. Okay, first it will be like size will be 1, so now it will become 2. Okay, so now you can see the console part. In our first run we are getting the size as only 1 and the cookie name is orange HRM and the cookie value is this one. So now we are going to add one more our cookie that is called as Selenium tech automation is the name and value for that cookie is 45678. So then I am going to add with the help of add cookie method. So after that I am going to getting all the cookies. So now we will get 2 cookies here. Okay, let me execute and we will see the output. Okay, so it is very important question and also it will be useful for you if you learn about the cookies concept. Okay, so now it got launched and logged in. So now if we go to the output, so now you can see here Okay, first time it is getting the cookies, that is the size as 1. So after that we are printing the name of that cookie and value of that particular cookie. So after adding our cookie, that is Selenium Tech Automation, we are getting the cookie size as 2. Okay, the same we mentioned here also. Okay, so now what is our next method here? So now I am going to delete a cookie. Okay, so now I am going to delete a cookie. Here you can see there are two methods. The first method here is delete cookie, and the second method here is delete cookie named. Okay, if we are using delete cookie method here, means which will delete a cookie based upon the cookie object. Okay, if we are using this delete cookie method, means it is going to delete a cookie based upon that cookie object. Okay, if I am using delete cookie named to delete a cookie, means it will delete a cookie where we mention the name of that particular cookie to delete. Okay, so that's why. So first we will see how we can delete a cookie, so after with the help of cookie object. Okay, so later we will see how we can delete a cookie with the help of name of that cookie. Okay, so now we added a cookie here. After that we are printing the size. Okay, so then I am going to delete a particular cookie, delete a particular cookie with the help of cookie object. Okay, with the help of cookie object, right? So for that, what is the method? Delete cookie method. Okay, for that, what is the method name? That is, what is the method name? That is driver dot manage dot delete. You can see here there are two methods to delete, right? Particular cookie, the help of cookie object, with the help of cookie name. So first we will see about cookie object. Okay, so here my object name is delete add cookie, right? Okay, this is my add cookie. We are going to delete this particular cookie, that is add cookie is my object here, that is cookie object. So once it is done, what we are going to do? We are going to, okay, we are going to get the cookies available after deleting. Okay, get cookies, right? Get cookies equals to, sorry, get cookies equals to driver dot manage dot get cookies, right? Get cookies. So now I am going to print. Okay, now I am going to print the size. Okay, now I am going to print the size. So here we already written. So here we already written cookies after deleting, cookie size from browser after deleting. Okay, after deleting cookie object. Okay, after deleting cookie object. Okay, first time it is giving the size as 1. After adding one more cookie, it is giving you 2. So now we are going to delete a cookie with the help of cookie object name, that is add cookie. So then we are going to get the size. So now it will give you 1 here, right? So now it will give you 1 here. So let me execute. So now we are going to delete a cookie with the help of cookie object. So later we will see how we can delete a cookie with the help of cookie name. Okay, so now it is launching the URL and it is entering the login username and password and clicked on login. That's it, completed. So now we will see the output here. You can see first time it is giving the cookie size as 1. So after adding, I mean after printing the cookie name and cookie value, we are getting the, we are adding one more cookie and we are taking the size. After adding, I am going to delete one more cookie with the help of cookie object, that is this one, add cookie. With the help of this add cookie object we are going to delete, right? So now we will see how we can delete a cookie with the help of cookie name. Okay, now we will see how to delete a cookie with the help of cookie name. So now let me comment this line. Okay, so now let me delete a cookie with the help of cookie name. Okay, so now with the help of cookie name, okay, we are going to delete. So for that, how we can delete? Same line, but the method will be different here, right? Here delete cookie control space cookie named, you can see. So here I am going to mention the cookie name what I am going to delete. So in our case this is my cookie name here. So the same I am going to mention here, right? So the same I am going to mention here as well. Okay, if you pass any space in between, so it is not going to work. At the same time, it is not going to give you any error also inside your console. It will tell you the same pass only, but we have to avoid the spaces if we are going to delete any cookie, otherwise it is not going to delete. Okay, so now we are going to delete a cookie with the help of delete cookie named method, so where we are going to pass our cookie name. So previously we discussed about how to delete a cookie with the help of cookie object name. So now we are going to delete a cookie with the help of cookie name. So for that, this is a line of code. With the help of delete cookie name, I'm going to mention our cookie name. So then I'm going to get the size again. Okay, so this time also it will give you the size as only one only. There won't be any difference between these two, but there is a difference, that is cookie object and cookie name we are going to delete. Okay, so now it is launching the URL with the help of driver.get, and then it is entering username and clicked on login. Yeah, it got completed now. So now we will see the output here. Yeah, you can see it is giving the same cookie after adding 2 and after deleting 1. Okay, so now this is a cookie name here, right? Not cookie object, it is cookie named. Okay, it is cookie named. Okay, so now we will see how we can delete all the cookies at a time. Okay, now we will see how to delete all the cookies at a time. Anyway, we deleted one cookie with the help of cookie name. So now we are going to see how to delete all the cookies at a time. The same driver.manage.delete all cookies. Okay, with the help of delete all cookies, we are going to delete all the cookies. So now the same statement I'm going to write here, that is get cookies equals to, so now I am going to print the size. Okay, it will become 0 now because we are going to delete all the cookies, right? Cookies size from the browser after deleting all the cookies, right? All the cookies. Okay, so now we will see what will be our output. This time it will give you 0, right? So this time it will give you the 0 as your size. So now let me execute. Yeah, this is how we can test whether that cookies are properly deleted or not from our automation point of view. Okay, and also this is very important concept for your interviews, right? So now let me go back to here console. Here you can see first time the cookie size will be 1. After that we are getting the cookie name and also cookie value. So after that we are going to add one cookie. After adding it is 2, and after deleting with the help of cookie object, that is 1. After that we are going to delete all the cookies, that is 0. Okay, so after deleting all the cookies, the size will become 0 here. Okay, so now let me, okay, now cookie named and after deleting, so now let me add here one more comment statement, that is where is our adding, yeah, here is our adding cookies size from browser after adding, right? After adding cookie size from browser. Okay, let me execute this. Yeah, now we are deleting a particular cookie with the help of cookie name. Okay, and also we can delete a cookie with the help of cookie object as well. That's the difference between these two, delete cookie and delete cookie named methods. Okay, so now it is going to complete and it got completed. So now you can see the console part, cookies actual cookie size is 1, and then we are printing the cookie name and cookie value. After adding the cookie size of from browser is 2, where we added that Selenium tech automation, and cookies size from browser after deleting with the help of cookie named method, that is 1. Okay, it is deleted one cookie, and after that we are going to delete all the cookies from that particular browser. Okay, with this we satisfied with all these methods, right? Okay, again I am telling one more time what is a cookie here. Cookie is a basically a temporary file which are going to create by the browser automatically. Okay, when we are browsing some data through browser, any one of the browser like Edge or Chrome or IE or Firefox or Mozilla Firefox or Safari. So during that time, what is going to happen? It will automatically create a particular cookie for you. So suppose when I am going to visit to any website, and my browser will automatically save some information in the form of cookies, okay, in the form of cookie files. Okay, after some time we can delete all the cookies files, and also sometimes the browser will automatically delete all the cookie files. Okay, so as a tester we need to test whether those cookies are properly deleted or not, okay, from testing point of view. So once that is done, Selenium provided certain methods like delete cookie, get cookies, add cookie, delete cookie named, and delete all cookies methods to handle all these cookie related operations. Okay, so that's all it for now. So I hope if this video will help you at least 1 or 2%, please drop a like, and also don't forget to watch this video till the end. If possible, please share this video to your friends or colleagues so that they will also learn about this cookies concept from Selenium point of view, and also your share will help this video to recommend for more people. Okay, that's all it for now. Thank you guys, have a nice day. Signing off, Selenium Tech Automation. We will meet with our next video. Until then, take care everyone. Thank you guys. Bye.